Hey guys, what's up? It's Jade. I'm going to be doing like a craft video. So, I'm going to be doing like a little crocodile. So yeah, I did a panda once. So yeah, what you'll need is a green clothespin. It's a dark green, but it looks light green. So, and then you'll need some glue. I got this stuff at the book fair, so, but you can probably also get it. I don't know. You'll need this. You'll need this. And so yeah, that's basically all. So the panda was a lot harder. So I guess you take this. No, first you take this. I think you bend this like that. Like bend this. And then bend this, I think. Like prop this up. No, bend it like that and like kind of bend it like that, but leave like a little crease and like pull this up where you can see it. Like that. So it'll kind of hang on. It'll look like this. And then on this one, I think you're gonna have to kind of like bend this like that. I think, right? Yeah. You'll bend it like this. Yeah, I gotta move this. And then, so it should look like this. Little teeth. Teeth. And then, what you want to do is, you open this up and like, do that. Okay, I think you do that. So what you want to do is where it says glue, gonna glue. Does it say glue on here? Yeah, it does. Okay, and then you're just gonna take the pin, put it on the top like that. So it should look like that. And then I'm just gonna kind of tip it over just a little bit. And then you're gonna take this. Wait. So this is the front? No. This is the front. And then see you later. Okay. What? This is confusing me. You gotta have to like fold this up, I think. Okay, so yeah, now we're going to glue this. So where it says glue right here, got on my nose because there's glue right there. I think, ooh, I rolled around. So yeah, it's not really this big of a mess. Ooh, oh. Okay, and then I'm going to do like so, right there. And then you just kind of have to bend it. Okay. I want it to look like, that looks weird. Why does it look like that? Okay, well, it's different. But it should close all the way. So, no. has to fold. I'm pressing as hard as I can. Okay, that didn't even work, so just kind of go like that. Go like that. Oh, it's supposed to say, see you later. Is it even? Oh, okay. Well, yeah, so I've been kind of mumbling, so I hope y'all can hear. So that was basically all. So it basically looks like this, and it says, see you later, alligator. Yeah, it's like, yeah, it's like, okay. It says, see you later, alligator. So yeah, and I guess you just like pinch something through here and like hold it. And then like, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put like Velcro or like a magnet or something. I'm going to like get onto my, like this. Like you can just pinch it. And like if you're wondering where it goes, you'd probably think it floats down. Oh wait. Yeah. It actually, wait, it blends in. You see that little thing? It says, see you later, alligator. Come back. Wait, hang on. It kind of went like kaboom. Ooh, okay. Well, that's basically all. So yeah, and yeah, I gotta pinch my nose. It doesn't even work. Okay, well, yeah. So that's basically it for today. Yes. So first, I'm gonna show you the panda. The panda didn't really. I don't know if it looks that cute, but I think it does. Yeah, you kind of gotta fold this like a lot. So yeah, let me. I can just take a. Okay, let's go get the panda. The panda looks like this. Hang on, let me just like, okay, hang on. Let me do this. Yeah, it's kind of bright. It looks like this. Like it's a little green pin. Wait, you can't even see it. Like, how do you even pinch it? I don't know, I guess. Okay, so yeah, that's the panda. It looks pretty cute. So yeah, that is basically it for today. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.